I want to show you some flowers that I picked up from some trees. So the trees are in bloom right now, and you might not think of these as flowers, but what we see here is this is a cluster of a bunch of flowers. Each one of these is a bunch of flowers, and you don't see the individual flowers. These are sometimes called catkins or pussy willows, and I'm not sure what kind of a tree these came from, but perhaps they were from an aspen tree. I know that the aspen trees that I can see out my window are definitely flowering and had fuzzy flowers like this. And then this one is, I think, some sort of maple, and again, it's a whole cluster of flowers, and I'm going to try to give you a sense of what you're seeing here. So each one of these small structures is a flower, and I'm going to try to take one off and then see if we can see the individual parts. I'm trying to see if there's one that might be easier than others to pull off. So there's an individual flower, and you can see that there are individual flower parts. These, I think, are the female parts of the flower. You'll see that this flower doesn't have any petals, and these trees are wind pollinated, so you would not expect them to have petals that would attract pollinators. So I think all of these individual red things sticking up are the tops of the female part of the flower. And so anyway, a couple of kinds of flowers that you might see on trees. And again, this is a whole cluster of flowers.